morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami. Maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa Sydney City. Marami kaming pwedeng magpakita sa inyo, kaya dyan lang kayo. Tara na! Hi! So, nandito kami sa Queen Victoria Building. Let's go inside and let's see what's in there. Maraming tourists ngayon. We feel like a tourist as well. Let's go, guys! So, ayan ang loob ng QVB. There's some nice shops inside. Oh, there's Pandora, Longchamp, Bali, and there's a lot of cafes inside QVB. It's like, how many levels is here? 4? So, it's around 10:30 a.m. right now at marami ng tao dito sa city and temperature today is like 30. What's the temperature? Is it 30 degrees or more? Around 30 degrees today. So, lahat nasa labas at for sure ang mga beaches dito niyan packed din. Maraming tao. Kasi gustong-gusto ng mga Aussie ang mainit. Ay, magpapatan. So yan guys, tambay-tambay lang dito sa QVB. Tingnan mo naman. At merong nagpa-piano dito. Woo! Galing niya. Tignan niyo yung structure ng QVB. Napakaganda. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Wow naman. So, punta tayo ngayon sa St. Mary's Church here in Sydney. Share lang guys ha. Dito, look. Dito sa hotel na to, sa QT Sydney Hotel, I used to work here for like 5 years before this one. It's a boutique hotel here in Sydney located the Market Street, Sydney. Ayan siya. Hotel. Ayan. Tabi niya yung State Theatre. We're gonna walk straight to the St. Mary's Church. Noong dun pa ako pumapasok sa hotel na QT every morning, I make time to visit St. Mary's Cathedral. Mamaya makikita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang church na yon. Let's go cross the Pitt Street. So, ayan. Bago tayo pumunta ng St. Mary's Cathedral, daan muna tayo dito sa Pitt Street. Marami ring shops dito. Very busy. Ang daming tao na, oh. Anong oras na ba? Mga 10:30 pa lang ngayon eh. Or probably nearly 11. Pero ang daming tao. Yan ang mga shops. Estate, Foot Locker, at yung Maya Malaki yung Meijer nila dito. Ayan, ang Pitt Street, guys. So, ayan. Ito ang Market Street dito sa Sydney. Let's go for a walk! Marami ding walking dito sa Sydney, kaya if you wish to visit Sydney, make sure comfortable ang shoes nyo. Hintayin natin to para makatawid tayo. So kung gusto nyo palang pumunta sa church, ayan, pwede kayong bumaba sa St. James Station. Mas ano kasi siya eh, mas malapit. Whew! Problema ang buhok na naman. Lumilipad. Okay. So we're now at Hyde Park. Beautiful park here in the city. Ano yan? Malawak yan. Ayan, oh. Doon. See? And there's a cafe right here. At yun, malapit na tayo sa Cathedral St. Mary's. Diba? Ang sarap ng ano ngayon, ng weather. Mahangin ng konti, pero at least it's not too hot and it's not too cold. Lakad-lakad lang. Let's take a video of this artist. Yan, maraming mga buskers dito. Lawak, oh. Ganda. Ayan, New Year po kay Kuya. Woo! Look at this big fountain. Ang ganda! So, ayan, nasa harap na tayo ng St. Mary's Cathedral. And it's amazing. Look at the blue skies as well. Tara, pasok tayo. Ayan, nandito tayo sa loob ng tram and let's go to Circular Quay.
The next stop is Wynyard, followed by Bridge Street, then Circular Quay.
Tignan natin mamaya kung magkano. From George Street to George Street. Baka kami yata sa George Street. Kami sumakay hanggang sa Circular Quay. Tignan natin magkano yung matitira sa opal natin. Maraming tao eh. Wala tayong upuan. So, ayan. First time kong mag-catch ng train dito sa George Street kasi dati, nung nag-work pa ako dito sa QT, yung pinakita ko nga kanina sa inyo, wala pang ano, nung ginagawa pa lang yung railway para sa tram noon. So, that was like when I stopped working, that was like 2020. Yeah. So after 4 years, ito na.
The next stop is
Ang dami na. Nagka-catch ng train dito. Tram. Magkano yung cost para sa tram ride? It was $2.24. Yan, $2.24 ang na deduct sa aking Opal card. And ngayon, lumalakad kami papunta sa The Rocks. Hanap tayo ng makakain. It's because it's lunchtime. At ang aking Junakis ay complaining na dahil too much walking daw. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. But anyway, it's a fun day, but let's go to The Rocks, guys! So, how's your morning been? Sana productive din ang inyong araw. Okay, which way? Let's see what we can find for lunch. Daming restaurants dito. So this is The Rocks, guys. Oh, diba? May mga shops din pala rito na nagtitinda ng kung ano-ano yung perfume, paintings. Ano ba yun? Socks, handmade glass beads. Ayan. Oh, mas marami pa doon. Look. Ayan, oh. Daming tiyangge. Damit-damit. Ah, diba? Katy Perry. Nax, Katy Perry daw. Oh, baka sa kanya nga yan. I think may photo siya doon, oh. Some photos, photography, jewelry. Oh, nice dresses. Some jackets. Oh, there's more here. Wow. So, ayan. Nandito kami sa labas. At naghihintay. Daming tao. Ayan. May queue sa Pancakes on the Rocks. Kasi it's lunchtime. Kaya, dapat pala mas maaga kaming pumunta. Para nakaupo agad. So, ayan. Pero parang mabilis naman. Ayan, kapalik na kami. Sana makakuha agad ng table kasi gutom na ang Junakis. Nagreklamo na siya. Okay, so pakita natin yung menu dito sa Pancake on the Rocks. Yummy! This is, you know, this is the main Pancake on the Rocks dito sa Sydney. Ito yung pinakaunang shop ng Pancakes on the Rocks dito. So, let's see what they have. Chocolate, strawberry pancakes, may banana rama. Wow, that sounds really delicious. And hindi lang yan, hindi lang mga desserts. Ayan, meron din silang ribs. What else do they have? Mga chicken, schnitzel, steak. Look, guys. And then, ayan, mga crepe. Meron din silang crepe. Wow. Yun ba yung, is that what you ordered, mahal? Crepe?
Yeah. Farmers crepe.
So, that's what Mahal ordered. And what else do they have? Oh, they have some pizza as well. Pizza and some salad. Ayan. Look, and there's tacos as well. So, kompleto recado. And meron din silang menu for kids, sa mga kids nyo. And I've got some drinks. Pakita natin ang drinks, Mahal. I've got some coffee. Kasi maaga kaming umalis kanina. So, dito ko babawi. Dito tayo babawi sa coffee. And of course, meron si Mahal ng Asahi.
Hi guys, today I'm somewhere else and I'm going to eat and I'm hungry and I'm tired walking and I'm going to eat pancakes and I'm going and I'm hungry and I'm going home soon and I'm going to the ride a train home and we see you guys there, guys. Bye.
So, we got our lunch. Yung sa akin, eggs benedict. Tapos, may bacon. And then, pancake. And this is rosti. Rosti. This is hash brown. Ayan. At si Mahal, merong crepe with, is that bolognese inside? Some
Cheese and potatoes.
cheese, potatoes, bacon as well. Yeah, yummy. At i-share lang muna namin si Kian some of our foods kasi it's too big. And then later on, we're gonna order some raspberry pancakes and with white chocolates on the top, something like that. And yeah. Okay, so natapos na namin ang aming lunch. Ayan, asa na ba? Ayan, si Dada. Yung crepe niya, naubos niya. At ang salad ay natira. Ako naman, ayan, ang natira. Yung rosti. Ay, rosti is hash brown. Ayan. Si Kian, hindi masyadong kumain kasi he can't wait for the blueberry pancake. And nag-order si Dada ng blueberry pancake. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay, so, busog na. Pero may dessert pa habang nandito. I-try namin yung blueberry pancakes. Tapos, lakad pa tayo sa labas, siguro to watch the fairies. And then, are we going to Opera House? Yeah, and then we'll take you to the iconic Opera House. Lakad-lakad sa Darling Harbor. And, kung may suggestions kayo guys na gusto nyo puntahan namin, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
I like my lunch and subscribe to my channel and like the cute button. And I like my food and I'm watching and I'm going outside soon and it's gonna be Dada's birthday and tomorrow. And I'm going to play at home a lot. And I'm going to play with my water gun at home.
Okay, so the dessert has arrived. And of course, pancake pa rin. But this time with blueberries and vanilla ice cream. Ayan. Ayan, mag-share lang kaming tatlo kasi we're very full. It's just that we wanted to try their blueberry pancakes. Ayan. We're gonna enjoy it! Ayan, so balik-lakad na naman tayo after lunch. And look, behind me is the Harbor Bridge. Ayun. Ayan siya. And dito naman sa side is the Crown Princess Cruise. I'll show you. Hey guys. Okay, so dito yung mga ferries, boats, and next time we gonna ride a ferry. Ayan, oo nga, good idea. Next time, mag-ride tayo ng ferry, maybe going to Manly Beach, to Watson's Bay. Yeah, so watch out for that. Oh, tignan nyo naman tong alaga niya. Oh, ay, cute! You wanna touch it? Kian? Wanna touch it? Go! You try! You scared? So cute! Alright guys, see, we're at the iconic Opera House. Ayan, so nakatayo tayo ngayon sa harap ng Opera House. Hope you guys enjoyed our second vlog. At sana po, kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod naming vlog. Please like and subscribe on our channel. Thank you very much.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.